Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus. I am here at 75 Newell Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, only a couple minutes away from Bald Hill Road. So, let's begin the walkthrough here in the living room. This is a centralized living space, leads to the rest of the unit, and also houses the main entryway to the unit as well. A nice fresh coat of paint throughout the unit. You'll notice it in each and every room. And this room, the living space, houses a freshly cleaned carpet flooring. It's the same flooring you'll see in both bedrooms. On top of that, the living area houses these wide open windows, lots of sunshine and street views. Plenty of outlets in the living room surrounding the walls, so lots of spaces for different electronics and entertainment system, what have you. And a nice wide open layout, of course, so really you have plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups in this living space. Awesome. Next, let's check out the kitchen area. You have a vinyl wood flooring here in the kitchen and plenty of kitchen cabinetry up above and below, so a good amount of kitchen storage. You have a little bit of countertop space, a couple of outlets for additional kitchen plug-ins, and of course the appliances include the medium refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan, and the dual bin stainless steel sink. Great. One other thing to note with the kitchen area, you do have the entryway to your private balcony here as well. We'll take a peek outside real quick. It's just a small little private balcony for some extra space, a couple lawn chairs, whatever you'd like to put there. Just a nice addition to have to the unit. And again, that is essentially your kitchen area. Next, let's start looking at the bedrooms. So we'll start with the bedroom on the right side. You have one to the left, one to the right. They're basically exactly the same when it comes to features and size. Carpet flooring, as I said before, you have your own closet spaces in both bedrooms. Wide open bright windows, fresh paint, and realistically, I think you're going to easily be able to fit a standard to full, maybe even a queen bed set in here. I think both bedrooms can work with a queen bed set. I personally think a standard and full XL are going to give you the most room for other pieces of furniture, but you can put queens in here if you'd like. So that is the first bedroom. That's the bedroom to the right. Let's check out the bedroom to the left. Yeah, and like I said, they're basically the same exact thing between these two bedrooms. Honestly, identical. Not much of a difference. This one might have a little bit more space, but not by much. Again, you can put a queen bed set in both these bedrooms. I do think they work. I just think if you're looking for a lot more furniture setups, I think you should probably go with a standard to full. But again, queens work perfectly fine. Lastly, let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom houses the same flooring you saw in the kitchen, the vinyl wood flooring. You have a additional closet in here for some storage, a little bit of cabinet space on the sink vanity, large mirror vanity up above, fresh paint once again, and you have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Awesome. So once again, this is 75 Newell Street here in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.